In this video, we will describe how to set up a total station with auto instrument height. How do you measure the instrument height? In the past, the operator have no choice but to measure the center height by tape, and type it by manual. The accuracy of measurement was under the responsibility of the operator with much more uncertainty. Why not use the auto height? Auto height enables operators to measure, record and set the instrument height automatically, which means, to get the instrument height with a simple button press. This revolutionary function will change the traditional setup step on site. With auto height, we can work faster when station set up. Free your hands by accurate measurement, no more mistakes by manual operation, not necessary to take extra accessory. Today, we will describe how to use auto instrument height on N3. There are 3 ways to activate the auto height. The first one is star key. Click the button, select number 7 plummet. Click the item directly or press the numeric key 7. Here is a measure key. Press it to activate the auto height. The second on is in station. Click menu, and we are gonna choose number 5 station. When set up the station, we need to define the occupied point by known coordinate and instrument height. Select the instrument height and press it to activate the auto height. Or, back to the basic measurement surface. On N3 total station, we can switch the measure mode by the quick access key. This is for angle measurement, for distance measurement and for coordinate measurement. Let's press the third one for coordinate measurement. Press F4 to find the second page. Select instrument height and press measure to get the instrument height with a simple button press.